Minister Amit Shah arrives at the BJP headquarters. His contribution and personal interest cannot be, underestimated, I would say. He is the man of strategy, the man of finer details, the man who prepared the Bihar blueprint, ensured that his trusted man in Dharmendra Pradhan is made the election in charge. So here is the man who gets all the credit, the backroom person and also the person who has been leading from the front, Home Minister Amit Shah, arriving at the BJP headquarters for the celebrations as we wait for the Prime Minister to arrive now. Aishwarya, what are you seeing? It's a big day for the BJP. Aishwarya, have you heard me?
Well, Maria, let me just show you what. Yes, Maria, let me just show you what exactly I can see here. The women power in large numbers. All the women out here. आप लोग सब यहाँ पे आई है, झंडा लेके आई है. आप लोगों का ये भी कहना है कि अभी बिहार तो झांकी है. उसके आगे आप लोग कह रहे थे कि जो बंगाल है उसके अंदर भी ऐसा ही होगा.
इस बार बंगाल में भी हमारी बीजेपी सरकार आएगी और बहुत अच्छे से आएगी. हाँ, क्योंकि ये जो फर्जी वोट बने हुए थे ना, वो सब जा रहे हैं, तो बिहार में बहुत तरक्की करेगी बीजेपी.
आप लोग एक गाना भी गा रहे थे, कौन सा गाना था वो?
तो बिहार वो
अगली बार जो आप लोग वेस्ट बंगाल की बात कर रहे थे
कि अभी तो ये झांकी है, बिहार की अभी झांकी है, पश्चिम बंगाल अभी बाकी है.
Women out here, Maria, in large numbers, and all that you are seeing, the BJP flags out there, most of the women also holding the BJP flags, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, huge cutout of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, this is what is the celebration looking like here at the BJP headquarters. We are understanding that, in just a couple of minutes from now, we will see Prime Minister Narendra Modi coming here. He will be speaking with the people. Turn out in large number. Prime Minister will also be speaking about the development that NDA will now be doing. Jai Jai Shri Ram. That's what most of the people here at the moment are also speaking and chanting, Mara.
And Aishwarya, we have seen how there has been too many frequent celebrations at the BJP headquarters, Just look at how the party consolidated and course corrected after 2024 debacle where they won Haryana, Maharashtra, Delhi and